Okay, we're taking a look at the Edifier D32 speaker. Now, as you can see, it's got a lovely, what do they call it? It's got a lovely retro design to it. You can see it's got the wooden look, but it's like a design from the past, which looks really, really nice. Now, it's actually called a tabletop wireless speaker as well, so you can sit on a table. High-res audio as well. Now, this also connects Wi-Fi and Apple AirPlay as well, which we're going to show you guys shortly. And there's a bit more about some of the speaker functions on the back. So 60 watt RMS. And works with Apple Play as well, Bluetooth 5.3, 11 hours playtime. But I'll show you guys how it actually works live. Let's go and take a look and pop it out and see what comes in the actual speaker itself. So there we are there. Again, D32, that retro style again, which I really absolutely love. Let's take a look and have a look. So here it is just here. So taking a speaker out, just want to quick look at what else comes in the box as well. So in here you have the setup guide, how to set up the speaker, which we'll talk through, and also your connection guide as well. So not a lot of wires in this, being because it is obviously a tabletop speaker. So there we are just there. So I'll put all this to the side just for now. Here is the speaker itself. So again, lovely packaging by Edifier, again protecting the speaker. And there it is there. So to start with, it's got a really nice, heavy feel. So you can feel straight away. It's got a really nice, heavy feel. So you can feel straight away the quality in the speaker. And I have to say, I haven't seen a speaker like this before as well. The retro design really is beautiful. I mean, look at that wooden paneling there. Isn't that absolutely amazing? It looks completely lush. The wood paneling actually looks real as well. Look at that, look how it just shines, isn't that beautiful? And you've got these, so you can sit on the tabletop so it won't slide off. And on the back you have the plugs you can use as well, USB in, AUX, and obviously the charging panel there. Now, as I said, these have 60 watt in them, in regards to it, 11 hours battery life in the actual speaker. So you've got 15 watt of treble and 30 watt of mid to low in there. And the speakers are just in there, but look at that grill. So I can't hold it up for too long because it's quite heavy. You've also got the keys there to use. So if you have a look just there, you've got the keys, but you can actually turn it on and off. So if you go there, see there? So you've got the turn on, Bluetooth, play, pause, and turn up volume as well. So this is actually a Bluetooth Wi-Fi enabled speaker as well, which is great. The speaker itself weighs about 3 kilos, and it looks really, really nice. So supports 5 gigahertz or 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, Apple AirPlay 2 as well, Bluetooth 5.3 as well in there. It's got high-res audio as well. So it's got a Class D audio amplifiers from Texas Instruments. So it gives two-way crossover, so magnifies the frequencies. It's also got 2.1 acoustic architecture as well. So the handmade wooden speaker case houses two 1-inch silk dome tweeters and one 4-inch long throw mid-low driver. So it can actually, they say the actual case itself reduces the distortion in the sound as well. So I can't wait to show you how to use this. Again, you can use the Edifier Connect app to connect it together, which we'll show you guys shortly, and supports all different types of codec as well. So for high-res audio. So there it is, a beautiful speaker. I'll just go here so you can see this too. I should go this way. Sweet.